to another episode of Crio Voices, where we dive deep into our learners' journey, their experiences, and perspectives about the program. Today, we have a special guest with us named Tarun. Tarun is here right before us, and he will be sharing about his experiences, his journey, and his perspective about the entire software development industry as well as the Cryo program. So, it's a conversation going to be full of raw insights, lessons learned, and a reminder that each learner's journey is different but worth it. Hello, Tarun. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, hello, Asta.
So, before we start, can you please share a little bit about yourself and walk us through your life till now?
I am a front-end software developer with over 3+ of year of experience in technologies like JavaScript, React, especially I worked in a banking domain project. Although I am graduated from civil engineering, I always have a deep interest in technologies or learning new technologies. This interest motivated me to switch to the IT field right at the start of my career. Over the year, I have been working on various projects, even in my office times and even in Cryo. Worked on various projects and built user-friendly interface applications and solved many challenging problems such as in DSAs and all that.
That's great. You are actually sounding very much curious about software development industry. So, Tarun, as you mentioned that you're from civil background, can you let us know that without having educational background in the IT role or without having any experience, how you get into the IT domain at the start of your career?
In the college time, the companies come from the campus drive and all that. I attended one of that session. Initially, I cleared first round, then I cleared second round, and finally the interview part. And I got selected in that interview, and after that I got the offer letter. And over the period, I joined Infosys, and it is an amazing journey there.
That's great. So it sounds really interesting to know about. Also, Tarun, you mentioned that right now you are at a senior software engineer position, and when you joined Cryo approximately in the month of December 2023, you were also working as a software engineer. Can you let us know how you were able to manage both your work as well as your upscaling in Cryo? And also, can you also let us know why you decided that Cryo is going to be the platform for your upskilling?
Okay, so basically working for approximately 2 years in the company, I required in the same technology I myself thinks upgrading myself would be, or upskilling myself would be a great opportunity to do that. So I joined, I start looking for several platforms and all that. So while searching for that different platforms, I come across this Cryo platform. So Cryo is I attract towards it Cryo platform by having seems they provide the real world projects, even they provide a hands-on experience, and the backtracking is also good. So I choose Cryo to be a good platform and after choosing the Cryo, I can say journey is amazing in that.
Did Cryo help you out in somewhat here to manage or make your task easier to upskill?
Yeah, definitely. Managing a full-time job along with upskilling is definitely a challenging task, not for me. Yeah, it is challenging from everyone. But however, somewhat Cryo flexible learning schedules and project timelines make it easier for me to balance both the working and the learning journey. Here I also thanks my colleagues in my office also they also understood, and even the Cryo mentors also they are also good. And basically the structure of that is totally a good one from Cryo, that you can manage both the things at good efficiently, you can maintain everything and
That's great.
keep you on the track.
And if I ask you about the Cryo mentors, you mentioned that Cryo mentors has given the flexibility and they were helpful in assisting you with the queries and giving you the time to complete the program or the project in that matter. Can you
Yeah.
let us know how has been your relationship with Cryo mentors, and if any specific mentor you would like to mention here?
There are like all mentors are good at their part, but I remember one mentor. There is one mentor, Komal. It's Sharma or Jen. I'm not remembering the exact name. She has in the starting, like in January 20. After joining 1 month, I came across. She's like totally like what you say. Like you can have like she start from very basics, and every part she covers, every pinch part. She is like like everyone like you get in schools now, like each and every point. So she is very good at teaching, like and even everyone is good, like, but she is like something like you can get like spoon feeding also, like she is also doing.
Also, like if I ask you about your overall journey of Cryo and ask you to tell us one thing that you like the most about the Cryo program, what would that be?
Overall journey with the Cryo would be like it's amazing one for me. Designing the structure of this Cryo platform is very practical and enhancing. The most valuable aspect for me is like when you come across the problems you solve in real world type things, how you get the project, how you have to solve that. So it is also good, like, and even like clearing the doubt from mentors after the sessions or before the sessions start is also a good one. Like means it is also good one. So that helps. Even I want to mention like there is a one resume preparation session, like that is also a very nice one. Like they that is what very well structured. Like if you are not working, if you are working professional, like how do you have to prepare the resume? So it is very also very beneficial. Cryo has a step by step things. It provides career services in the sense you can set that it provides the live chat for like from morning till night, 10 to 11. So if you find any difficulties in doing the work, you can ping app or had a chat support. That is very helpful. And also like Cryo also provides a portfolio towards yours. So if you want to let someone know what you have performed and all that, you can share your portfolio with them, and they can see like uh, what you have overall.
Maybe. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think is really can really work out for learners who are right now working professionals, but they also want to upskill themselves in Cryo? Do what are the things that have worked out best for you, because you have completed everything in the program.
Yeah,
So it's maybe something that you might have followed in the starting till the end, and that has worked out very well. So, what do you like to suggest to other fellow learners of Cryo?
my suggestion or the my advice to the fellow learners is to like stay consistent and focus on the building strong foundation part. Then you can pick up platforms that emphasize the hands-on experience to you. It will prepare you for the real world project challenges. Even do not hesitate to ask the help from your mentors and anyone, like even your colleagues or anyone you can help. Take the help at any time. Even like one thing, like, and remember to celebrate every small things what you did. So it keeps you motivated throughout the journey and everything.
That's great. And if to summarize this, do you have any story to tell? Do you want to share any moment that you had with the Cryo team and that has been become memorable for you?
Not definitely, but actually like one story I will mention. In the same like class, I have one person, so we usually talks on WhatsApp and also that. So same thing, like we are like in the class, we are mentioning, we are chatting like this concept is we are getting that and all that. So in between, like mentor mention like Tarun and that person, means the topic is going encryption decryption. So WhatsApp provides you encryption and decryption. So the mentor mentioned Tarun and that person is like just chatting to the WhatsApp, and we really are chatting to the WhatsApp, like so like it's like funny moment, like it is also. So it is something in recent time also.
That's great. So that has been become a memorable moment for you. To summarize and to end our podcast today, Crio Voices, what are on your target list, or what are your aim right now to achieve in your near future in terms of learning? You have completed your cryo journey very well. You have good experience in already in the software development domain. What are the things that you want to upskill now in future? What are the technologies that you want to learn, and what are your goals right now?
Yeah. So like my aim is to take more challenging roles in the like SD software development profile in the full stack development stream. I also want to contribute some like innovative projects and eventually take up the leadership responsibility in my career, so I can like lead or I can something. And my goal is to keep learning and stay up to date with the latest technologies which are coming to uh, to the country, or means in the IT domain.
That's great. So you want to have a command on all the technologies that are coming in the market to stay ahead of stay ahead in the market, and
Yeah.
with your fellow learners. That has been a good aim here, and I believe everyone should be completing their upskilling journey. They should never ever leave their upskilling journey, because nowadays every few months there's a new technology that is coming up,
Yeah.
and to get ahead in the market, you need to be a master of that technology. On that note, that has been an amazing and outstanding discussion here with you, Tarun. I actually genuinely enjoyed the discussion here, all about your experiences, your cryo program experiences, your journey in the SD domain has been wonderful. I really wish going forward as well we get some chances to connect, and I could have another podcast recorded with you. But till that
Yeah.
time, this has been the end of this podcast, and it has been an amazing journey. I wish you all the very best for your upcoming adventure, I would say, because you're very much curious to learn more. So, wish you all the best, and thank you again for joining
Thank-
us for our Crio Voices episode. Thank you so much, Tarun.
yeah, thank you.